Blue zircon is a blue color variety of the natural zircon gemstone. This popular semi precious jewelry gemstone is recognized for its brilliant luster and good transparency. It is regarded as the December birthstone in the Western world. In Vedic astrology, a natural blue zircon is worn to gain professional success, financial prosperity, and a healthy marital life. The benefits of this blue zircon gemstone are: it restores matrimonial harmony, it improves financial luck, it brings mental peace, inspires creativity, and bestows health bliss.